Hi, this is John Mahaney here to talk about summertime flying hazards, things to be aware of. Did you know, or actually, what do you think are the three biggest things you got to worry about? Talked about the last video I mentioned density altitude, which as the temperature goes up, your performance worsens. So warmer air results in, on a hotter day, longer takeoff run, typically slower climb because the engine's producing less power, normally aspirated engines. Propeller has less air to bite, and there's less airflow over the wings, there's simply thinner. So anyway, you're not going to get as much lift. It takes longer runway to get airborne. Also in the summer, you've got convective activity and which is thunderstorms. You know what the three ingredients to a thunderstorm are? Has anyone asked you this before? Heating, unstable air, and lifting action. Moisture, unstable air, and lifting action. So on a warm day, and it depends whether it's part of a front or whether it's air mass, which means it's on its own, but unstable air, it's going to rise. Lifting action, um, obviously it's going to continue up, and moisture. So, and if it goes up high enough, then that will result in a thunderstorm, and those can bring with them hail, up and down drafts, severe turbulence, and all that sort of thing. So the rule of thumb is to stay away, avoid by at least 20 miles, if not farther. And you can use the Mark 1 eyeball test of looking out there, and if it looks bad, it is bad. When the sky starts to look gray or even dark, it's bad news. Also caused by lightning. You've got lightning in the distance to worry about as well. So your best thing is to avoid. So weather radar helps for larger aircraft, but the best thing that you could do is avoid. And also in summertime, hot weather, people don't drink enough water, they get dehydrated, and if you're not dressed properly, UV exposure, find yourself sunburned and things like that. So for summertime flying, best time is earlier in the day before it gets warm. Afternoons when you get the heat of the day and thunderstorms begin to heat up, you can look at the sky and tell by the clouds. Thunderstorm clouds typically cumulus or cumulonimbus. They're big, puffy, like cauliflower, and dark, and that sort of thing. And typical life of a thunderstorm might depend on if they're short-lived, maybe an hour, or longer than that. Depends on the source and all that kind of stuff. I will be doing a video on flying to Oshkosh, which I did 4 years ago this summer for anyone that's interested. So working on that, and I'll try to get that together soon because AirVenture is about a month away, actually 5, 6 weeks away. Anyway, please like and subscribe. And whether it's a favorite topic of mine, and aircraft performance suffers in the summer, even if you're flying something turbine. So I don't know who all is watching this or will watch it, but behind me in the picture, there's my Cessna 180 that I'm a partner in, 1953 Cessna 180, which has been down for a couple months with maintenance. It's fun to fly, and hopefully it'll be back soon. Anyway, that's it for now. We'll be working on another video soon. So watch out for summer thunderstorms and density altitude, and protect yourself from sun and sunburn, and make sure you stay hydrated. John Mahaney, thanks. Bye-bye.